I have a new model named Flipper by Plum Mobile. It is a factory unlocked 4G VoLTE phone. It is compatible with AT&T, T-Mobile, and any service provider that uses AT&T, and card required, 2 displays, and so on. Comes with the hands-free, cable, charger, instructions on how to insert your SIM card, your user manual, comes with the lens protector in case you want to have extra protection. That's good to have. And here is your phone. Big display, nice size external display, big keypads, your MP3 player, like if you're listening to your music or FM radio, it's easy to have a dedicated button right here. Your navigation key that you can program for the most useful features that you use in your phone, for example, camera. Okay, let me go back a little bit. So how do you insert the SIM card in the tray? Very important. So you put your thumb up here, push it down. A recommendation, you can always purchase a micro SD card of any brand. It doesn't have to be Samsung. You can push it down. You can hear the clicking sound. That means it's locked and loaded. Press and hold the power button down until the screen comes on. Where is the power button? It is right here. This is the power button. You press and hold it down until the screen comes on. And as you can see, it says AT&T, and on the right top corner, you can see VoLTE and 4G with the full signal. Again, the phone is unlocked to be used with any service provider. You can insert your activated SIM from your old phone into this phone. There is no need for you to contact your service provider at all, and it is good to go. So I have 2 phones here. One is AT&T and one is T-Mobile, and you can see both of them are showing 4G VoLTE service. Or control the volume. So you basically go into the menu, you go to this icon, and where it says normal, you press the option button.